Hey, in this video, I'm gonna go over how to set up the best product abandonment flow automation inside of Klaviyo for your ecom brand. And this is gonna be a step-by-step tutorial and also showing you the best email designs you can use for this flow. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need is the email designs that you can import inside of Klaviyo. So I like to use Figma.com to design my emails, but you can also use Canva or even Photoshop to design your emails, and then you slice them and export them as images. And with those images, you can then import it inside of Klaviyo as an image and craft the email design with all different images. So yeah, these are the two emails we're going to be using. One says, hey, just letting you know this item is low on stock. And the other one says, you're one click away from having this on. This is going to be a Klaviyo dynamic viewed product block, which we're going to make inside of Klaviyo. And then this area down here is also just going to be an image that we export and we import it inside of Klaviyo. So what I like using is a hero text, which is the main text inside of an email, and kind of giving them urgency or a reason why they should check it out or purchase. Here we used that it's low on stock, and the other one we use, you're so close from having this on. Grab it while you still can. So also shows more urgency. And right here at the bottom, we're going to do, you may like these, and it's going to be different products that they might like. Maybe the product that they viewed was interesting, and then there's another product. It might be a different colorway or a similar product, and they might click on that one and purchase. So these are the two emails I'm going to use. And as you can see, the CTA, I didn't just say shop now. I changed it up and said grab it here, just so people don't think this is just like a basic email. You gotta give it a little bit of personality, and a lot of people are gonna like that. Just base your emails with your own brand image, your own personality, and that's definitely gonna shine through with the customer. As well as here, I also added just some reviews so people have more trust and they're ready to purchase from you guys. So yeah, after you designed the emails, then you can import it inside of Klaviyo, which I'll show you how to do now. So let's go down to flows and create flow and search up product, browser management, standard. So the trigger is viewed product. And let's call this number 4, browse abandonment. So I set up the trigger. The trigger is, I put it right here. Viewed product. And then profile filters. Checkout started 0 times starting this flow. Placed order 0 times starting this flow. It's not in this flow in the last 30 days. Let's change that to 40 days. And then place order 0 times in the last 15 days. Click and. When someone has placed order in the last 15 days. Wait, when someone has placed order 0 times in the last 15 days. There you go. So it should look like this. Once you set up the cart metric, we will add this as well. And now let's delete this SMS. Delete this yes path. So now we're left with the product abandonment. Let's click on edit. And this is the URL that we want. Actually, what is this link? This is the URL we want, event URL. So copy that. I'm also going to place it right here. This will be the CTA for the emails. So let's delete this. Delete this. Now let's add an image. Slice this. Copy, paste, drag it down. Export. Delete this footer that they made. I'll put an image down here. Now paste the URL, which is this right here. It's a Klaviyo URL, so it's just gonna go based on the product that they looked at. Right here, let's do E*1, E*2, and then down here, let's add the footer. There you go. So now if we test it out, it's gonna look like this. Is it perfect? And then people click on this. It would take them to the product, but right now the website is closed. So yeah, I would test this email, see how it looks, see if the CTA works, and then you're good to move on to email number 2. Now for the subject line, we can do this item is low on stock. Grab it while you still can. There you go. You can do something like that. Now browse email number 2. Turn this on. Oh, another thing, make sure that this is turned off. We never want that little logo right there to be on. Make sure these two are always off. We're gonna do time delay. We're gonna do 24 hours. And then we're gonna clone change this to email 2. Edit the template. And now change these 2 images right here. And now under here, click the product, drag it down, and then put dynamic, and we can click on this, and then go all the way to the bottom. Oh yeah, turn this off so it's not stacked, and then do 2 per row. We can do 4 products. And this is just based on your theme, so I want to make it black. Yeah, that's perfect. So if we test it, it's gonna look like this. So it's gonna show the product that they viewed, and then say you're one click away from having this on. Grab it while you still can. Shop now, and then you may like these, and then it's other products best selling. So yeah, that's good. Let's see if the URL is good. Once again, test this email, see if it works, and you're good to go. For this, we can do you're one click away, and down here put whatever you want based on the brand. You could put everything's pre-made. Actually, don't use the word everything because it's also a promotion trigger word. I would just put pre-made or your brand slogan or anything you want like that. But yeah, I'm gonna just keep it what it was. Actually, I'm gonna put there you go. Now let's turn this on. So yeah, that is the product abandonment. So if you are a brand making over $30,000 a month in revenue and you want somebody to fully take care of all your email and SMS marketing, then feel free to book in a call below and we can talk about working together. Basically, me and my team set up all the flow automations that we know work, as well as managing and testing them and sending out weekly campaigns to get more sales for your brand. So yeah, if you are interested, we can talk about it. And I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more email SMS content, I have a bunch of videos for you guys, and I'll see you.